And today I'm going to Dubai. So I'm checking to Allama Iqbal International Airport from Lahore. So I'm checking. You can see I'm in VIP lounge. So just taking my coffee and my bags. You can see my bag is here. Everything is done. So so I'm going to Dubai. So I will show you more clips, the food of Dubai, the traveling of Dubai. I will share my everything with you. I'm traveling to Dubai, so I decided to taste their food of CIP launch and give you reviews how it tastes like. So first I'm gonna taste their club sandwich. It's average in taste, not too much nice. Just the bread is filled with mayonnaise only. That's it. Nothing inside. Now I'm gonna taste their chicken patties. That's something nice. This patties is filled with chicken. It's small in size. It's almost one bite you can take, but it's very nice. It's taste. But overall, their food they have not too much variety. Only some club sandwich, some chicken patties, and some cakes, some biscuit, and tea. That's it. So it's average, not too much good. I can say it's just okay. Only the thing is the Wi-Fi is good here, and sitting is nice. It's comfortable and separate. You have no wait too long. If you have your flight is late, you are comfortable here. But if you go behind the food is just average. Friends, it's a beautiful weather outside. It's raining, and I'm the only one who's the last one. So they are just waiting for me, and they announced 4 or 5 times for my name. Actually, I was in a launch, I didn't heard my name. So I'm going in the plane. So bye bye.